Hey everyone, today we are at Disney's Grand Californian Resort and Spa. We're gonna be eating at the Storytellers Cafe, give you our dining experience. Then we'll walk around the resort, show you guys the pool, the different resort offerings. Let's go do this. It is a beautiful 7 in the morning here in Anaheim, California. It is about 45 degrees, which sounds cold, but it actually doesn't feel too bad. You got the sun out. The sounds, I think those are sounds put in by Disney. I don't think those are real sounds, but still, beautiful morning. You enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
This is one of my favorite resorts to walk around here in Southern California, just because you go from all the hustle and bustle in Anaheim, and it's like you're transported to Northern California. It's silent and peaceful and beautiful. 100 years of a Disney. Ooh, we can make it.
You can eat it.
We can make that though. See, they have the recipe right there. Acorns, gifts and goods. Got the DVC stuff. I'll be able to buy this one day. I promise to myself I will be able to buy that one day. I love the Disney Parks Tommy Bahama collection. I almost, when I was in Marco Island at the JW Marriott, almost brought myself to buying a Tommy Bahama Disney shirt there, but I know they have Disney Park specific, well, not parks, but Disney Parks Tommy Bahama stuff. So I'm like, I can't buy it there. And look at that. I love this one. I look it's $135. I might have to go back and buy that here in a little bit. I'm gonna eat breakfast first. I'm gonna not think on an empty stomach, but kinda need that Tommy Bahama shirt. I always hesitate before I say where I'm going when I'm going to the Storytellers Cafe, because I always forget what it's called for some reason. I always want to call it the Grand Floridian Cafe, which, this isn't even the Grand Floridian, so I don't even know why I would ever call it that. There's another look at one of the pools. I stayed here, I think 5 years back, and I don't remember swimming in this one, but I did swim at the other one, and I remember it being a very, very nice pool. They had a water slide. I don't know, just a very nice pool. It's a nice pool. Hopefully in the next year to 3 years, I'll be able to stay here again. That's a goal of mine. I don't know if that will be a possibility, but it's a goal. Chip is inside, waving to the friends that walk by, welcoming people into the Storytellers Cafe. Aww. Also, why is Chip and Dale Rescue Rangers like the best show ever made? The best movie ever made? I watched it. Well, I wasn't even gonna watch it, right? I wasn't even gonna watch the movie. And then I heard people talking about it. I'm like, what? What do you mean Chip and Dale? And I watched it and I'm like, oh my gosh, this is the best Disney Plus. Forget Mandalorian, forget any of the original Star Wars shows. That was the best Disney Plus original thing that has ever been conceived. Hi.
Hi.
You should ask for her number, Dad. The Storyteller Cafe. We're now seated. Gonna go up there and get some food. There's Mickey. And we're gonna take a little walk through the buffet. Looks like hash browns, scrambled eggs, biscuits and gravy, sourdough French toast sticks, some Mediterranean quiche, maple turkey sausage, applewood smoked bacon. Looks like we got some carved ham there with some salsa. Got the buttermilk pancakes, the world-renowned Mickey waffles, the chilaquiles, something, I don't speak Spanish. Got eggs Benedict, got the muffins, assorted mini muffins and pastries, breakfast pastries. Wow, the omelet station, yeah, bacon, ham, sausage, chorizo, amazing. The other side is more or less the same. They do have fruit on the right though. A plate of classic Disney buffet food. What more? Disney buffet breakfast food, specifically. What more could I ask for? Got the Mickey waffles, Disney bacon, Disney sausage, Disney ham, Disney eggs, Disney hash browns, and of course, the maple syrup to top it all off. This is just peak life. Peak life. There's no other way to put it. This is the got a nice omelet with bell peppers, sausage, spinach, onions, and then another Mickey waffle because can't go wrong with Mickey waffles and omelets. Breakfast was delicious. Omelet was good. I am full. I don't want to make myself sick by shoving more food in my mouth, but well, that's gonna do it from Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa. I just made a reckless purchase decision. While I was eating breakfast, I decided to purchase tickets to DCA and Disneyland Hopper tickets. So I'm gonna go in there.